In this video, I am giving you demonstration. WhatsApp couple of days ago introduced new advanced search features. This advanced feature how much for helpful for us, giving you demonstration in this video. So watch till end. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Open your WhatsApp application. This is my WhatsApp application and look at this top of the screen WA business application and search options are come. So I just simply click the search bar and here photos, GIF, links, videos, documents and audio. Some contents related informations I am receiving or not. Just simply I click the photos. So all photographs display here. I simply the GIFs. I'm not receiving such kind of files. Links, so I'm receiving several links. Video, so I'm not receiving any kind of videos yet. I am selecting the documents declaration underscore Sangram Singh .pdf related one document. I am receiving the via WhatsApp and audio facility, so I am not receiving any kind of audio facility. This facility comes here in like so such kind of search options available on this search bar, and then all lists are display here. You can use these features and very helpful, very easily to search any kind of photos, GIP, images, links, video, documents and audio files. That features name advanced search features. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.